In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a compelling real estate listing with Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn property details into a polished listing that attracts serious buyers, plus a concise version tailored for ads and social media. Start by opening Claude AI's website, logging into your account, and creating a new chat. Begin with a clear prompt so Claude understands the task and the output format you want. For example, you could say, write a real estate listing for a 3-bedroom house with a garden and garage. Make the description attractive and suitable for a property listing website. Keep your instruction direct and outcome focused. Tell Claude what to write, who it's for, and where it will appear. Next, provide the essential property details. The more specific you are, the better the listing will feel. Include the location or neighborhood vibe, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, overall size or square footage, and notable features like a modern kitchen, a large backyard, a garage, or proximity to schools and parks. You might type something like, write a real estate listing for a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house in a quiet neighborhood. Include a large backyard, modern kitchen, and nearby schools. If you know the home's condition, recent upgrades, or energy-efficient elements, add those as well. Clarity here leads to credibility. Then ask Claude to spotlight the features most likely to win buyers over. This is where you guide the emphasis. For instance, request a focus on a spacious living room, a newly renovated kitchen, and a backyard that works well for families or entertaining. When you highlight benefits, not just features, the copy becomes more persuasive. Think in terms of lifestyle: quiet mornings on a patio, easy commutes, or room to grow. After that, refine the tone to suit your audience. Instruct Claude to write in a professional, persuasive voice that feels trustworthy and polished. If you're marketing a sleek city condo, you might say, write a professional and persuasive real estate listing for a modern condo in the city center with great views and easy access to public transport. If you prefer a warmer, family-friendly tone, mention that too. Consistency of tone makes your listing feel intentional and targeted. Finally, generate a shorter version for ads or social posts. Ask Claude for a concise, scannable blurb that highlights the best features and includes a clear call to action. For example, create a short real estate listing description for social media highlighting the property's top features. If needed, request multiple variations and tweak for platform character limits. This gives you ready-to-go copy for quick promotions while keeping your main listing comprehensive and persuasive.